And 25-year-old Adis Medunjanin, an American citizen and ethnic Bosnian, was taken into custody Thursday, shortly after crashing his car on the Whitestone Expressway while being followed by the FBI. Law enforcement says they were under close surveillance for months. Last summer, the men's homes were raided in connection to the investigation into Naji Bulazazi. That's the man accused of plotting to blow up subways in the city after allegedly buying large quantities of chemicals. All of the men attended Flushing High School in Queens. Authorities say all three also went to a terrorist training camp in Pakistan in 2008.
I can't discuss any specifics of that case, but I believe that both of these men are associates of Azazi.
Ahmadzai went before a judge in Brooklyn federal court Friday evening. He pled not guilty to lying to the FBI about his visits to Pakistan and Afghanistan in late 2008 and early 2009. His lawyer spoke briefly outside the courthouse.
The allegations are set out in the indictment. The indictment indicates that he was less than truthful with the FBI agents when he spoke to them.
In that indictment, it also says Ahmadzai falsely stated to the FBI that he did not know whether John Doe attended a camp to receive military-type training while in Pakistan. But the indictment does not specify who that John Doe is. The FBI has not yet released the details of Medunjanin's arrest. He's expected to go before a judge here in Brooklyn Federal Court on Saturday. For now in Brooklyn, Erica Ferrari, New York 1.
Mayor Bloomberg says the arrests are another reminder the city needs to be on alert.
New York is, because it's a symbol of democracy and of the United States to many people around the world, is always going to be a target, and we cannot let down our guard. We have 1,000 police officers, as you know, dedicated to intelligence and counterterrorism. We have police officers stationed in cities around the world to better coordinate with other intelligence agencies, and we have a lot of personnel with the FBI's Joint Terrorism Task Force.
The mayor says the arrest came from a joint investigation between the FBI and the NYPD.